In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure dynamic tax display across markets in Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin and signing in at admin.shopify.com. Once you're inside the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings, the gear icon. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the Settings menu, click Taxes and Duties. Now scroll down until you reach the Global Settings section. In this area, find the checkbox labeled Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. Click the box to enable it. After that, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This setting tells Shopify that the prices in your store already include tax. That gives Shopify the base it needs to adjust pricing correctly by market. It can remove your home tax rate from the stored price and then apply the destination market's tax rate when needed, so the display changes properly depending on where the customer is shopping from. Next, go to your Markets area. To do that, click the Shopify logo at the top left to return to the main admin home. Then, in the left sidebar, click Markets. You'll now see your list of markets, including your primary market and any international markets that have already been set up. Click your primary market. This is the market labeled with your store's home country. When the Market Details page opens, find the Taxes and Duties section. Click that section to expand it so the tax options are visible. In the expanded area, find the Tax Display drop-down and click it. From the available options, select Dynamic Tax Display. Then click Done. After that, click Save to apply the change to your primary market. Now go back to the full markets list. You can do that by clicking Markets in the breadcrumb trail or by clicking Markets again in the sidebar. From the list, click the international market you want to configure. On that Market Details page, find the Taxes and Duties section again. Click to expand it. Find the Tax Display drop-down and click it. Select Dynamic Tax Display. Click Done, and then click Save. With this enabled on that market, Shopify will display prices based on local tax expectations for shoppers in that region. In tax-inclusive regions, local tax is shown as part of the product price. In tax-exclusive regions, tax is left out of the listed price and calculated later at checkout. If you have more markets to configure, go back to Markets and repeat the same process for each one individually. Click the market, open Taxes and Duties. Click the Tax Display drop-down. Choose Dynamic Tax Display, click Done, and then click Save. The setting is applied one market at a time, so it does not automatically carry across all markets from a single change. As you work through each market, follow the same sequence carefully so the tax display setting is saved on every one. Open the Market Details page, expand Taxes and Duties, change Tax Display to Dynamic Tax Display, confirm with Done, and save the market. Continue this until each market you want to support has been updated. Once that's done, your Markets page will reflect that Dynamic Tax Display is enabled in the tax settings for those markets. Customers visiting from tax-inclusive regions will see prices with their local VAT already included. Customers visiting from tax-exclusive regions will see prices before tax, with taxes calculated and shown during checkout. Shopify handles the price adjustment automatically by taking your home market tax setup into account and then applying the correct local tax behavior for the customer's destination market. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the configuration is complete. Your store is now set up so tax display can adapt across multiple markets based on regional expectations, while each market keeps its own separate dynamic tax display setting inside the Taxes and Duties section.